Hi, you're probably here because you want to learn a new language or know someone else who does. It may be your first time to try learning a new language, or perhaps you have tried and struggled many times before, or you want to help someone who is struggling now. You may have even reached the point of thinking that a second language is beyond you.
We're here to tell you that you are not doomed to fail at language learning.
We're also here to tell you that you do not need to study formal grammar or rote learn lists of new words or conjugate verbs to master a new language.
You don't even need to force yourself to start speaking full adult sentences within the first few days or weeks of your learning journey.
What you do need to do is follow the world's most successful language learner ever, you, as an infant.
When you learn the same way you did as an infant, you'll find yourself going from zero to competence in 6 months or less.
I'm Chris Lonsdale. I design language learning systems that fully meet the needs of the human brain, your brain.
I'm John Ball. I program machines to fully understand human language using the same approach that the human brain uses to learn language. The secret is, it's not based on statistics.
The two of us have now joined forces to bring to you the most effective language learning environment in the world since your days as a child with your family. And it's all packaged in a learning app based on brain science with interactive language AI.
We call it Speech Genie.
Speech Genie is the magic which gives you the ideal environment to immerse yourself in the language you want to learn in the same way you did as a child learning your mother tongue.
As you experience each stage of the course, your AI avatar speaks with you and understands what you are saying. This starts with single words and short phrases, then slowly builds complexity only as fast as you can handle it, just like a child.
It's natural, smooth, enjoyable, and surprisingly fast.
Speech Genie is based on the Kungfu English system for Chinese speakers to learn English. Thousands of people in China have successfully overcome a myriad of barriers to English and have become very successful speakers of English using the Kungfu English system.
We're now taking the very successful Kungfu English system and building in the world's best AI language interaction so you can speak with your digital avatar without fear of embarrassment, step by step building your strength.
And we're upgrading the original Kungfu English course design so that you will only ever be exposed to the language you are learning. There'll be no materials for you to translate. You'll operate totally in the language you are learning.
This will be done in ways that make sure, no matter what, that you fully understand what is going on at all times, just like when you were a baby learning your mother tongue.
Speech Genie will be available for learning many languages on Apple, Android, Harmony, and other platforms, as well as PC and Mac laptops, so that everyone will have the opportunity to finally learn a new language in a way which their brain can understand. We're starting with English and Mandarin first. Other languages will quickly follow. There's a lot of work to do, and we want to bring you this solution to language mastery as soon as possible.
Sign up to follow our progress or join our list of crowdfund VIPs to guarantee the absolute best value when you pledge to support our upcoming crowdfunding campaign.